Talofa, kia ora, greetings from Auckland, New Zealand. We as the Mission School Committee would like to inform all our partners in mission, as well as all the local churches and worship center Christian churches worldwide, about our combined efforts to raise the awareness of all Christians to commit to the spreading of the gospel to the ends of the world. The Mission Conference 2023. Why Mission Conference? Number one, to remind and encourage to raise the awareness of every born-again Christian of their responsibility to the Great Commission.